2015 Honda Accord, doing the starter replacement on it. So first things first, you want to remove your battery that sits right here and the battery tray. The battery has two 10 millimeter nuts you're going to break loose, and same with the hold down strap here. It's got the 10 millimeter nuts. You'll get that out of the way, and your starter sits right here on the driver front side of the motor. You have two 14 millimeter nuts or bolts. Don't know if that's going to focus, but there's one right there, and then one right down there. You do have a pigtail that goes, get it up there. It goes right there. It does have a little flat clip that you'll push down on. See it moving, and it'll slide right off. You'll have a rubber boot that sits up top here that will reveal that 12 millimeter nut. So you'll push the boot back, put your socket on it, take the nut off. That'll remove the battery cable from the starter. Then you'll take your two 14 millimeter bolts out, and let me go ahead and do that, and we'll see where we're at. All right, so there's the two 14 millimeter bolts you're going to take out. Then here's the starter. So one will sit here, one will be there, and then you just wiggle it, push the back side of the housing down through there, and then you'll pull it up out of this area right here. And that's the easiest way to remove this starter. To reinstall, just reverse the procedure, put the new one down in there, slide it over, put it in, put your two 14 millimeter bolts in, and connect everything back up. Thanks for watching.